and welcome back to your science class. Well, today you can see a different setup because today we are going to conduct IDP, that is interdisciplinary project. Under this we will be conducting a very interesting experiment. We are going to do a ink experiment, okay, by using some of the science knowledge that we have already gained. So what we are going to do today? Today I will be telling you how to write secret messages to your friends. Well, I am very much sure many of you might have watched the movie Harry Potter. Yes, that was also my personal favorite. So in that you might have observed that many students, they used to write secret messages, right? Today, would you feel surprised when I say you that the same thing we are going to do today? Exactly. So children, if you can recall, you may know that in acid basis chapter there are few acids, few bases, whereas there are some indicators by which we can tell which one is acid and which one is a base. Yes. So by using the same knowledge, we are going to conduct our experiment in which I'll be writing a very secret message, and by using indicator, we'll be telling what that secret message is. Basically, we are going to decode that personal message. So what you need for that is, you need a paper, yes, you need turmeric paste a little thicker, and soap solution, and yes, get 2 earbuds. Yes, the earbuds that you use to do with your hair thing. So that earbuds you need. So what we will do is, why not check out the experiment itself. See the experiment, I will meet you again. So what you need is, you need one paper, a turmeric paste, soap solution or detergent, anything you can take, and we need 2 buds. Okay, I have taken one extra. So now it's time to write your secret message. Okay, so for example, now with the help of this soap solution, I will write one message. Now this soap solution is a base. So let me just write any secret message. You will take your time very slowly. I am very much sure that this message is not visible to you, because that's why we are saying it a secret message. Now voila, I have written my secret message. Now by using another earbud, let's decode it. Now what I am going to do is take the turmeric paste and rub it over the message. Now what I will be doing is, I will be rubbing it. Now the color of turmeric is yellow. Oh my God, can you see it? What is this red color? What this red color shows, children? Keep on decoding it, keep on spreading this message. I am doing it with a little mess, you can do it neatly. Oh my God, this was a flower. Let's decode this. We don't know, let's spread turmeric all over. So what is the secret message here? I think this is a flower, this is something. Oh my God, children, we decoded that. It was a flower, and this is written FQT. So what this happens and why this happens? Because this turmeric is an indicator and this soap solution is a base. And in base, turmeric solution gives red color. So go for it and make your own messages and play around. Well, so you all did that experiment, right? My good champs. So what did you notice in that experiment? Yes, of course. We all saw that when we were writing that secret message, we just wrote that secret message by using the earbuds. Earbud has soap solution. Now soap solution is a base, right? When you write something, for example, I drew that personal flower by using that soap solution. So I am using base, okay. Now how I can say that it was a base? By using indicator. Then what I did was, I took turmeric paste in another but and slowly and steadily I applied that turmeric paste over it. So the places where there was soap solution turned into red. Why? Because bases give red color when we apply turmeric on it. That's the property of indicators. There are many indicators. We all know that methyl orange, litmus paper, turmeric is a natural indicator. So thus we can prove that by using indicators like turmeric, we can easily tell which is a base or which is a acid, which one is acid or which one is a base. You can write several other secret messages to your friends by using bases and then decoding it with indicators. Also you can use acid by using indicators and so on. Have fun. Bye bye.